and happy Monday to you. I hope that you had a great weekend and that you're ready to start off week 8 here in geometry. This week we are going to do the second part of dilations and scale factor, and we're going to take the 302 quiz. And then on Tuesday we're going to start the first part of similar polygons, and we're going to take the 303 quiz. On Wednesday we're going to finish up similar polygons and take the 304 quiz. We do have CC that day at 9 a.m. Okay? It's not mandatory if you had an 89.5 or greater on Monday. And again, remember the way that you check that is just go to the grade book, and for this week, so it would be week 8. So if you look at the week 8 attendance quiz in your grade book, if you have an EX there in the grade book, then that means that you're exempt. If you don't have an EX, then that means that you have to come. Otherwise, it will be a 0 in the grade book. Now, if you are exempt, you're still welcome to come to CC. It's not that you can't come, you're just not required to. So you're still able to come even, and if you want to still take the attendance quiz just to get extra points, that's totally fine too. It's up to you. On Thursday, we're doing 305, which is your choice. Basically, we've done these before. It just means that it's kind of a catch-up day. So if you're behind, use this as a catch-up. Friday, we're going to do the first part of triangle similarity, and then the assignment for that day is a discussion. Now, the discussion just opens up on that Friday. It's going to close on October 24th. That's next Friday, all right, the following Friday. So it will open up this Friday, and then it will close the following Friday. Now, discussions you cannot make up, all right, so those definitely have to be done on the day that they are due. So make sure that you're getting that done. Okay, just as I always remind you, make sure you're submitting your assignments by 5 p.m. on the day they're due, because the zeros are entered in the next day. All right, here are a few important things. All right, very, very important. Number one, all assignments up to October 17th are going to be closed permanently on October 24th. All right, so you need to have your assignments in on October 24th. Anything that was due October 17th or before is not going to be able to be accessed anymore. Okay. And then also, just like I talked about last week, go in and sign up for outings. It's a great way to get to know other students in your area. I know it can be somewhat isolating being at home sometimes. There's lots of fun things out there. So get out there and go figure something out. Okay, I do want to discuss just a little tidbit that, just in case you didn't know. If you go into doc sharing into your, in the LMS, if you go down here, there's a live finder doc. Okay, if you open it up, there's a link in there. All right, you might have to click enable editing, that's fine. Hold down the, see when I just have this, here's my cursor, it's just an eye. If I hold down the control key, see how it turns to an arrow? Then I can click on it, and then it opens up the live binder folder. And look at all this cool stuff that's in here. You've got the formula chart, you've got how to access problem sets, how to download GeoGebra, how to do corrections, downloading Yahoo Messenger, how to download a calculator, and then I kind of update it throughout the year, so go in there every now and then, see what's in there. There's lots of good resources. If you have any questions, as always, go ahead and give me a call or send me an IM, and I would be happy to help you. And I hope you have a great week.